Hello everyone, welcome back. And if it is your first time here, welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a 3-in-3 chainmail bracelet. I'm going to use a standard chain nose pliers and a bent chain nose pliers. The bracelet is going to be 8 inches in length, and I'm going to use 39 silver jump rings and 38 red jump rings. The jump rings are all 10mm, and I use a 12 gauge aluminium wire to make them, and I've linked the tutorial for the jump rings in the description box. You will also need a clasp, and I've linked a tutorial for the clasp in the description box. We are going to start with 3 closed jump rings and an open jump ring. So I'm just going to go ahead and add a red jump ring, then a silver jump ring, and then another jump ring, and close that open jump ring. So what I'm going to do next, I'm going to add a red jump ring through all 3 jump rings. So we're just going to add the red jump ring like so, then go ahead and close that jump ring. Next, we're going to add a silver jump ring beside that red jump ring, and this is the pattern that we're going to follow. Just 3 jump rings into 3 jump rings. And at this point, this is what your bracelet should be looking like. Next, we're going to add 3 jump rings through this gap right here. And we're going to follow this pattern right here. We're going to add a red, then a silver, and then another red. So basically what we're doing, we're just alternating the colors. So at this point we are going to add a silver jump ring, then a red jump ring, and then another silver jump ring. And as we go along, we're just going to follow that pattern. And at this point, we're just going to go ahead and add as much jump rings as we need to make the desired length of bracelet that we're going for. Or you can also make a chain and just add enough jump rings to do so. And when you get to your desired length, it is going to look like this, or perhaps longer. We're going to go ahead and we're going to finish off the bracelet. To finish off, I'm going to add a silver jump ring, being as there's a silver jump ring in the middle and the clasp is also red. And we're also going to add the clasp. Now we can go ahead and close our jump ring. Next, we're going to finish off the other end by adding a single silver jump ring. So this is how you can make your very own 3-in-3 chainmail bracelet, and you don't have to use the exact same jump ring size. You can use smaller jump rings or even larger jump rings. And I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.